Hey everybody, racing season is officially over, so we've got all the hill climbers back at the Engel Racing compound. We got the KTM up on the stand here. Jackson's going to start tearing into it. We're going to go through it for a winter project and get it freshened up before springtime. So you can follow along with us. Okay, go ahead.
There we go. Number 2.
Tailpiece off.
Oh man.
That's the thing with these 65 KTMs is to get it pretty much anything on the motor, you have to completely disassemble the top half of the motorcycle.
So we're just about to drain the coolant out and take the radiators off. So I'm going to take this hose off. Try to get myself not all full.
You got most of it in the bucket.
Yeah, most of it. Alright, so I got the chain off right there, and we're just about to get the chain guard off, this piece right here. I already got the carburetor off, and then I think tomorrow's project is getting the radiators off. Well, that is not how I planned to do that, but it works. So next we just gotta take the back suspension out. And there's the spring.